Hello everyone, I am Mrunalana Masar and here today to present my research paper activity titled as Implementation of Internet of Things in Biomedical Measurement and Instrumentation Course Project. This is the outline of the contents present in my research paper. Every year from 2017 and 18, implementation of Internet of Things in biomedical measurements and instrumentation course was introduced for undergraduate students of biomedical engineering. IoT based program project learning is a very comprehensive learning which helps the students to interact with machines and programming. It is very important to infuse 21st century skills among the engineering students, and hence in 2018 the government of the Republic of Indonesia designed and declared this program to address the fourth industry revolution, making the students and country 4.0. In academic year 2019-20, to develop a smart baby incubator using various IoT devices, gateway, and also using server cloud-based technology was the topic assigned to the students. Effectively, during the course period, in the last few weeks, this project activity was carried out. Particularly in the last week, the students need to submit all the understanding whatever they have understood till now throughout the course in the form of various reports, presentations, and live demos. This helped the students to implement all the things which they have learned in the lectures as theoretical aspects into practical. The main objective of this project idea was to make the students to make them familiar with the current technologies. One of them is IoT, that is Internet of Things, which refers to a system which interconnects objects which can collect and transfer the data over the wireless network without human intervention. As IoT can be applied in various domains. One such domain where IoT is used will be healthcare. So when IoT is used in the healthcare, it advances the healthcare industry. It reduces the cost of equipments. It also reduces the errors and provide accurate answers. It helps in giving a better patient experience and also improving the health management system. With the help of this, in demand of IoT and IoT professionals, but the exposure that the students towards these technologies was very less, and hence in order to upgrade current skills of students and to evolve the interdisciplinary education system, this project idea was carried out. This project idea helped to bridge the gap between the traditional and the modern technologies. For the project, the required analysis that the student carried out are as follows. Some of the students used microcontrollers, their combinations like Arduino and ESP8266, or some students used Arduino, only Arduino, or Raspberry Pi 3. Along with the microcontrollers, they also used sensors for temperature measurement, humidity measurement, and pulse measurement. Along with the sensors, they used actuators, which is fan, humidifier, heating element. The microcontrollers being attached to various peripherals, some of the peripheral interfaces used by the students for creating this system was 16 GPIO pins, 10-bit ADC converter, SPI, and I2C. Using the required material, the students tried to propose various block diagrams for the smart incubator system. Two of them you can see on your screen. So in this, the smart incubator system helps to monitor the baby continuously. This with the help of sensors and actuators. With the readings from sensors and actuators, microcontrollers send these readings to the web server and where the data is stored. Then the user using his or her smartphone or computer can view this data and take the required measures. In order to develop this system, the students used various methodologies like Android-based application, creating a user interface. Also, some of them use web-based technology. That is, some of them use database management, namely MySQL, to fetch the data. Hence, in this way, this system was carried out and developed by the students. In the first week, the students were assigned the required topic. In the second week, the students give the proposal, that is how much the budget they are required, and did the necessary things. In the week 3, the students developed this smart incubator system, and in week 4 they presented all that they have done throughout the course. Hence, in this way, we can conclude our project activity that implementation of IoT-based learning helped the students to improve their technical skills. Along with technical skills, they also learned soft skills. Along with this, they also learned the trade-off aspect of engineering. Along with this, they also learn how to prototype a system in limited resources, budget, and time, which will help the students in their future endeavors. In this way, preparing the students for industry revolutions helped in upgradation of the human capital and also the country, making it once digital. It also the faculty which were allowed to access the students' project offered them some internships and also gave them helpful comments. Hence, it strengthened the university industry partnership. Hence, IoT based project learning helped the students to improve their technical along with behavioral skills, also helped in bridging the gap between the modern and the traditional technology, also bringing innovative education patterns. This is all about what I have learned and understood through my project. Thank you.